Hey, it's Gina from WTI. If you're looking for a compact clothes dryer that will fit into a small space, I found the perfect dryer. It's a BLACK+DECKER 3.5 cubic feet clothes dryer. Not only is it small, but it works so efficiently, my clothes always get dry in a short amount of time. So I know you're probably wondering, how big is this dryer exactly? And how many clothes can it dry? Let me show you. 23.5 by 25.5 by 21 3/4 inch. So you definitely don't want to overfill the machine, but I can fit about 3 pairs of my husband's work jeans in here and then put it on for 40 minutes on high and they'll be dry. It's very easy to clean. There are 2 filters. There's one in the front that you clean about once a month and then one in the back of the machine that you clean every time. The one in the back of the dryer you just twist and pull out, and then you can use a vacuum or a small brush to clean the felt liner, and then you can clean out the filter by hand, and it goes back together super smoothly. You just push it back in and twist it. This was seriously the best purchase we have ever made for our laundry situation. I definitely recommend it, and that's my point of view.